Linux RHEL-10, 10 Essentials and Commands. Alright, today I'm walking through 10 essentials for Linux and RHEL-10. Fast and practical. You'll see the command, hear what it does, and know when to use it. 1. Know your system. cat/etc/Red Hat release. uname-r. I always start by confirming the distro and kernel. It helps when troubleshooting, installing drivers, or checking compatibility. 2. Update the system. sudo dnf update-y. Keep packages current for security and stability. I run this before installs or after a fresh build. 3. Install software. sudo dnf install htop-y. When I need tools, dnf is the move. Try htop to monitor processes with a better UI than top. 4. Navigate and list. ls-la. cd/path. Pwd. ls-la shows hidden files and permissions. cd moves you around. Pwd confirms where you are. Simple, essential muscle memory. 5. Manage files and folders. mcdir-p project/demo. cp-rsrc/space backup/ mvapp.oldapp. rm-rtmp/ create, copy, move, and remove. I add -p to mkdir for nested dirs, and I'm careful with rm-r double-check paths. 6. View and edit quickly. less/var/log/messages nano/etc/ssh/sshd_config. Less is safe for reading big files. Nano is a straightforward editor if you're not living in Vim. 7. Control services. systemstl status nginx. sudo systemstl enable --now nginx. I check status to see if a service is healthy, then enable and start it in one go. Great for web servers, databases, and agents. 8. Read the logs that matter. journal ctl --xeu nginx. When something fails, I jump into the Unix logs with -xeu to get context fast, errors, hints, and timestamps. 9. Network and remote access. IPA nmcli con show. sh user at server. IPA shows interfaces and IPs. nmcli lists connections on RHEL. Then I ssh in to manage remote hosts securely. 10. Permissions and ownership. chmod + xdeploy.sh. sudo chown-r app-app /var/ww/app. When scripts won't run, it's often permissions. I make it executable or fix ownership so services can read and write correctly. Security PSA. If you're working from coffee shops or hotels, use a trusted VPN to encrypt traffic. Verify host fingerprints. Avoid pasting unknown commands with sudo. Quick recap, system info. Quick recap, update plus install. Quick recap, navigate plus files. Quick recap, edit plus logs. Quick recap, services. Quick recap, network plus SSH. Quick recap, permissions. Pro tip, combine tools, grep, find, pipes. Example, find/var/log- type f-name*.log-mtime-1- print pipe, zargs grep-I error. Chain commands to answer specific questions fast. Outro. If this helped, spin up a lab VM and practice until these feel automatic. Your future self, on call at 2 a.m.? Well, thank you. I'll pin a cheat sheet and sample configs. Stay sharp, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one.